Hi, I'm Anthony Miller. Let's talk about what is anarcho-capitalism. Most people, I feel, have a wrong idea what this is. Anarcho-capitalism is not chaos and terror. Don't confuse anarcho-capitalism or anarchism with anarchy. These are two different types of words and two different types of meaning. Chaos, war, terror is what we have now with the so-called order of the state and politics. It is quite different with anarcho-capitalism. Anarcho, what does it mean in the original sense? It means no leader. It comes from the ancient Greek, anarchein. It means no leader. It means that people take care of themselves. It does not mean that we are free to do what we want. And it does not mean that there will be anarchy. On the contrary, anarchism means order. It means the order of free men and women, of course. Capitalism, likewise, has many wrong interpretations. It is, rightly understood, the creation of prosperity through the accumulation of wealth. History, in terms of creation of wealth, is not a continuous process of rising living standards. The truth is that all through history, people have been absolutely poor. Only a very small group had some kind of exceptional riches. But nowadays, even so-called poor people have, in many aspects, a living standard which is equal to the kings of the past. All this changed with modern capitalism, with the Industrial Revolution that happens around 1800 at the end of the 18th and the beginning of the 19th century. So anarcho-capitalism means prosperity for all, freedom for all, and peace of the world. How will anarcho-capitalism become a global reality? First of all, no violence. In the libertarian tradition, there will be no violence. No violence is required, and no revolution will happen. Things come about automatically in a liberal way, which means simply that we must withdraw from the state and politics. Anarcho-capitalism comes in this way by default. The way is Demarchy and sortition. Now, what is this? What is a demarchy? Demarchy is the selection of a community's representatives by sortition, by lottery. This abolishes the political process. This abolishes the politician, and particularly we don't need political parties anymore. Parties are a problem of partition, of separation. Not election by vote is democracy, but the selection by lot, said Aristotle a long time ago. And he meant that the election by vote is not a democracy, it is typical for oligarchy. And that's what we have nowadays. Our system is called democracy, but the truth is it's an oligarchical system. Now, how does this work? Here is the answer. I suggest reading my book, Principles of Anarcho-Capitalism and Demarchy. You can get this book at Amazon.com online. You can get it at Kindle Unlimited or as a paperback. Just go to www.amazon.com, go to books, and type in Anthony P. Miller. Enjoy. Here are some other publications. First of all, Principles of Anarcho-Capitalism at Demarchy. This is a broader book. It contains also analysis of the current political system, of socialism, of interventionism. These three books are parts of that one that address special problems, the enemies of prosperity, like socialism, for example. Here, how capitalism creates wealth and promotes prosperity, and here the debacle of economic stabilization policies. This one, Capitalism Beyond the State and Politics, is the most comprehensive book. It also contains a part on international and global economics. It has a long timeline of the major events of the 20th century, actually from 1913 to 2018, and it also is in a larger format available. Well, thank you very much. I hope you'll join us.